and you're tired of slow or heavy tools, I built pgStudio for you. Let me show you what it does in under 2 minutes.
pgStudio is a native macOS Postgres client. Built with Rust and Tauri, not Electron, so it starts in under a second and stays fast no matter how large your schema is. Connecting is straightforward. You paste in your connection string or fill in your credentials. Works with Supabase, Neon, Railway, RDS, or any Postgres instance. Your credentials stay in the Mac keychain, never stored in plain text. Once connected, your entire schema is right here. Tables, views, functions, types, triggers, everything in one sidebar. Click any table, and you instantly see its columns, types, and structure. No waiting, no extra clicks. Click any table, and your data loads immediately in a clean grid. You can search, filter by multiple conditions, sort any column, and page through results. No writing a select just to peek at your data. The query editor is Monaco, the same engine that powers VS Code. You get syntax highlighting, autocomplete, and keyboard shortcuts you already know. Write your query, hit Command-Enter, results appear instantly below. The editor keeps a full history of every query you've ever run. And here's where it gets interesting. The AI panel knows your actual schema, table. So when you ask it a question in plain English, it writes accurate SQL for your specific database, not a generic example. Your schema, your tables. And if you want a visual picture of your entire schema, relationships, foreign keys, how everything connects, the topology view gives you that instantly. No external diagramming tool needed. pgStudio is in beta right now and completely free to download. I'm looking for developers who use Postgres daily to try it and tell me honestly what's missing. There's a link in the description. Takes 2 minutes to install. I read every single piece of feedback personally. Give it a shot.